You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 11,601, or 107.708. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 34 and y1 equals negative 93. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals 58 and y2 equals 12. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 34. x2 equals 58. y1 equals negative 93. y2 equals 12. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 11,601, or 107.708.